You can see the crossover, that's the crossover there, if you wanna pick that up,
Yeah, we'll get a shot of that.
this guy here.
Yeah. It's a lot smaller than the original 500C box.
But it's a good deal more complex.
Ah, okay. Let me tilt this down and see if I can. Oh, you gotta hold it up higher. Okay, there you go. Thanks, Steve. Yeah, no, it looks nice. How does it sound so far? I mean, what kind of testing have you done in terms of sound?
The thing is amazing.
Okay.
It is really amazing. And it's just so effortless with everything that it does. And I changed the crossover point too, so that the woofers are actually carrying more mid-range than the stock crossover did. The stock crossover really only had very low bass coming out of this and was counting on the horn for everything else.
Ah, okay.
These were designed for dialogue in movies. They were not designed for music, so I designed a crossover that's more for dealing with wider frequency range and dynamics.
Yeah. Interesting to see how low these guys can go frequency wise.
Shall we play them?
Yeah.